Hey guys, today is a day full of anticipation as we've just received a special delivery from Temu. Get ready for a thrilling unboxing experience as we uncover the tech products inside. And here we go, diving straight into the Temu tech products. Brace yourselves for an array of cutting-edge gadgets that are about to elevate your tech game. Let's start by revealing the first set of goodies. Before starting, I have shared the details and link for all these products in description below. If you are new and never tried Temu before, I would recommend downloading the Temu app from the link shared below and search for code AAH99561 to get £100 coupon bundle. Let's dive in. Firstly, we've got a stylish upgrade for all you Apple Watch enthusiasts: stretchy nylon bands. These bands are more than just accessories. They're a perfect fusion of comfort, style, and durability for your Apple Watch. These stretchy nylon bands are designed with flexibility in mind. Not only do they look fantastic in 3 colors, black, gray, and olive green, but they're also incredibly smooth and stretchable, providing a snug fit without compromising on comfort. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a jog, or attending a formal event, these bands seamlessly adapt to your lifestyle. They're easy to swap out, allowing you to match your Apple Watch with your outfit or mood effortlessly. Elevate your wrist game with these stretchy nylon bands. Now let's talk about a game changer for all our tech aficionados: the multi-USB charging adapter cable kit available on Temu. Tired of dealing with a jungle of cables? This kit is here to simplify your charging setup and bring order to the chaos. With a variety of connectors, this kit is your one-stop solution for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, smartwatch, or other gadgets, the multi-USB charging adapter cable kit has got you covered. Gone are the days of searching for the right cable. This kit streamlines your charging experience, making it efficient and hassle-free. It's compact, portable, and a must-have for anyone with a plethora of devices. Temu Tech is redefining the charging game with this innovative kit. Now let's hit the road with the car magnetic phone holder. Safety and convenience take the front seat with this essential accessory designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. This magnetic phone holder ensures that your device stays securely in place, allowing you to focus on the road. The easy installation and adjustable angles make it a breeze to use. Not only is this phone holder functional, but it also adds a touch of sophistication to your car interior. Temu Tech's Cabinet Light. This sleek and compact device is designed to illuminate your spaces with style and functionality. Installing the cabinet light is like giving your spaces a stylish makeover. It's perfect for cabinets, closets, or any area where you need a touch of brightness. The motion sensor technology ensures that light is only there when you need it, making it an energy-efficient choice for your home. With its minimalist design and practicality, the cabinet light is a must-have for those looking to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Stay tuned for a closer look at how this little wonder can transform your living spaces. Next we have is the sunset light. This isn't just a light, it's an experience transforming any room into a breathtaking sunset scene. This device brings the warmth and beauty of a sunset right into your space. Imagine relaxing under a vibrant, ever-changing sky from the comfort of your home. The Sunset Light by Temu Tech is an absolute game-changer for creating ambience and setting the mood. Whether you're winding down after a long day or hosting a cozy gathering, the Sunset Light adds that perfect touch of magic. We can get more creative with this RGB light if you aren't into product photography or videography. It got different modes the light can react, and you even get a remote to control the light intensity, color, and its mode. If you are enjoying the unboxing, do like and share this video and subscribe Bytes for more contents like this. If you never tried Temu before, download Temu app from the link shared below in the description for getting instant £100 discount. Check out the LED digital clock, a modern timepiece that doesn't just tell time but also adds a touch of sophistication to your space. With its sleek and minimalist design, this LED digital clock is a functional and aesthetic addition to any room. The vibrant display not only makes it easy to read the time, but also enhances the overall ambience. It's not just a clock, it's a statement piece. The LED digital clock from Temu Tech allows you to customize the brightness, ensuring it blends seamlessly with your surroundings. Stay punctual and stylish with this innovative timekeeping solution. Bringing elegance to the spotlight, we have the 138mm rotating display stand from Temu. This sleek accessory is not just a stand, it's a dynamic showcase for your favorite items. Whether you're displaying collectibles, merchandise, or personal treasures, the rotating display stand ensures that every angle is a good angle. With its smooth rotation feature, your items get the attention they deserve. Stay tuned as we explore the versatility of this stand, from its applications in retail settings to adding a touch of flair to your home. This small rotating display stand is redefining the way we showcase our favorite things. We can use for product videography in a creative way to showcase our skills. Next we have is the mini portable humidifier. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this compact device is your personal oasis, ensuring a comfortable and moisturized environment wherever you are. The mini portable humidifier is designed to combat dry air, providing relief for your skin, eyes, and respiratory system. It's powered by USB, making it convenient to use with your laptop, power bank, or even in your car. And check out its size. It's small enough to fit in your bag, making it a travel essential. Simply fill it with water, press a button, and voila! Instant relaxation. Temu has truly nailed the balance of functionality and portability with this mini portable humidifier. Now let's dive into the world of hygiene and convenience with Temu's automatic soap dispenser. Say goodbye to traditional soap dispensers. This sleek device brings a touchless and efficient solution to your daily hand hygiene routine. With its infrared sensor technology, this dispenser detects your hands and dispenses the perfect amount of soap every time. It's not just hygienic, but also saves on soap usage, making it an eco-friendly choice for your home or office. And the best part? It's compatible with various liquid soaps, making it versatile for your preferred brand. Plus, the transparent design lets you easily monitor the soap level, ensuring you never run out unexpectedly. That's it for today, guys. These products not only elevate functionality, but also add a touch of sophistication to your everyday life. Temu is one of the best affordable online shopping websites where you get best good product for less price. Other than these tech gadgets, Temu has plenty products from household to fashion. Do try shopping on Temu and leave your shopping experience in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.